how to turn off Subway Surf notifications. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video, I will tell you how you guys can do that. So for that, we will simply go to Subway Surf game. So let's open it. So let's click on Subway Surf game. Now here we will wait for some seconds to load the game. So I will wait for some seconds. Like you guys can see 82%, 90%, and that's it, it's completed. Now I will click on top right corner setting option. Once I click here you guys can see Bombex music, country and sound effects, reminders. So first we will simply click on reminders. And after that, once we click on that, like if it was turned on, you guys will not see red line on that. And if it was like turned off, you guys will see red line. So basically in my phone it was on, so I would simply click on that and it was turned off. Now the second thing, I will simply hold on Subway Surf app, and here you guys can see IE option. In some devices you guys will see 3 dots. But I will simply click on that IE. Once I click here you guys will see manage notifications, simply click on that, and here you guys will simply turn off it, and that's it. Our Subway Surf notification will be disabled. Thanks for watching.